Hi guys, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a haul. I purchased some collections. I was bad, and this time is always so horrible for me. They always like seem to come all at once. And I am just a sucker for Frank Garcia, so I did haul the Prima Luna collection. And if you know me, I love pastel Halloween. Even though I have no swaps planned, I just couldn't help myself. So anyways, I did pick up one more item, and it's this acetate sheet. Oh my god. So now you can see you've got the little the bones, the pumpkins, and it's just foiled in gold, and it's really thick. I have no idea what I'm going to use this for, but to be honest, I just needed it. I needed it, so I picked that up. And then I picked up the Candy Cane Lane collection. I didn't buy everything. I bought some of it because I have all of the Frank Garcia collections, and to be honest, I haven't even like made a major dent in them. So trying to find restraint here, you guys, and I did pick up some 12 by 12s and the ephemera and some chipboard, but we'll go over that. So here are, let's see how many ones. I got one of these, and I just love the Santa Claus. I usually, if one of the prints called to me, I don't really love this side. It's this side. Santa with his gold stars in the back. Absolutely lovely. I also picked up this one. A fairly nice sheet. But I love counterparts. And this is so cute. Again, like all of the designers, like I say this about Maggie Homes, I think they recycle a lot of their images. And there's nothing wrong with it, especially if it's not broken. But you'll see elements in one collection that you've probably seen in another. So it's just the color changes. This one is actually adorable. Little Bambi. I love the scribble, the pages on the back, that vintage page kind of feel that like screams to me. And this is the front. I do love this little cluster, but I'm not much of a scrapbooker, so I probably likely use this side. And I did pick up 2 sheets of this. I do love the little splatter of gold. Got another sheet of that, and then I picked up this one. I really like the polka dots. I'm not really sure why I got this one. This is the front. You got Santa on the top. I do love this. So pretty. And I do love in this collection the use of the traditional red, which, you know, kind of like hasn't been seen in a while. So I also picked up this acetate sheet. Again, no clue. I'm not very good with colored acetate. I do love that pink one, the Mylar one, but this one's really thick, you guys, and I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this, but I needed it. And then I picked up this vellum sheet. Again, I love vellum, but I'm not really sure how I'm gonna use this. I love the pink poinsettias, the pink and red rather, and then just kind of like the little ornaments. I think it's a very pretty sheet. Kind of hard to show too. So I picked up, I'm not very good with Prima flowers, but I picked this up. I actually prefer the poinsettias I make, and but I'll still use these. So there's that. I got both the ephemera packs. I said this before, I love the chipboard. I'm not a fan of the puffy stickers, to be honest. I think they're a little bit more on the flat end compared to crepe paper, but love this. Love this. And I am preparing for a Christmas swap. I'm finally doing a swap this year. I've been just so out of the game, you guys. I like to create for me lately, and I think I just didn't want to stress myself out, but I think it challenges me when I do a swap. Keeps me accountable. I don't know if that makes sense. I did get the 8x8. I love 8x8s. It's like the perfect size for me to use. And it's the preferred size. Don't get me wrong, I love a good 12 by 12 because you can't do certain projects with an 8x8. But like I said, I did pick up some of my favorite sheets from this collection, and I stuck with the 8x8 because I still need to make embellishments. It's my jam. And I figured if I have any larger projects, I can definitely make use of this 8x8. Just do a quick flip through. If you haven't seen it, welcome to my channel, and we're going to do a flip through of this. So we have all of these cut apart tags. I love them. Super cute. But you guys, this is the back. And I think for the 8x8s, there's definitely no foiling, and I love it. And I believe there's four of each print. But this candy cane paper, ooh, this is it for me. Don't get me wrong, I do love a good cut apart, right? Look how pretty those are. And they are added ephemera, you got all of that. But I'm not much of a fussy cutter, but look at this page. This is the same as that acetate paper, or vellum rather. And I just love it. I love the splatters, like that's my jam. So yeah, here's the front, and that was one of the 12x12s I did pick up. See, I love this on the scale because like I would totally make a tag out of this little corner or this corner. The little polka dots, so cute. And we've got our little Bambi on the back of that. Like, how could I not buy this collection? I have problems, serious problems, you guys, but I'm not mad. So here's this one, got a little stocking, nice, a nice page. This is nice too, a little vintage snowflakey page. And then another cut apart. He's like the king of cut aparts. There's nothing wrong with that, but I do love his designs. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. Santa Claus, merry and bright, and there's different sentiment in each little windows. This would be great for like an embellishment, just cutting around each Santa. Ooh, some good thoughts here. And again, I like this page, fairly nice. I'm not really a fan of the red outline of it, so it's a fair page. Another like scrapbooky page, but again, I would just cut out the focal points here, and just use the middle for some kind of like embellishing. Here's the back. You got your muted polka dot page, so pretty. And you got one more cut apart. Here's this cut apart. And here is this larger scale candy cane with the pink splatters. So I love this collection. I'm not regretting buying another Frank Garcia collection. If anyone has a hold over me, it's definitely Frank and it's definitely Maggie. Because in a little bit, I'm going to show you what I picked up from Maggie Homes and Frank Garcia. These two people just create magical collections that speak to me, and I am completely weak to them, as most people are, because it seems to be a lot of our fans of Frank's work. So, and Maggie, to be honest. Sorry, I just had to peel that sticky part because it drives me crazy. Anyways, let's go over. Do you want to do the ephemera? I could do the ephemera at the end. But here is the back. I did pick up both of them, and there are 2 of each ephemera piece, which again, I love that he did that this year. Only because sometimes I have a hard time deciding, especially if I have a favorite piece, which one to use. So there's that. Okay, you guys, I got my pre-buy of the new Maggie Homes Parasol collection. Why do you need another Maggie Homes collection, you say? I don't know. Did I buy it? Because I thought, oh my god, how pretty are those colors? Absolutely. And I believe they did a, what was that? Peach Jeep deal? I didn't pick it up in a Peach Jeep deal because I was like, you already have a lot. Let's find restraint. So I did. I'm like talking gibberish here, but I'm so elated, you guys. I love paper. Man, I love paper so much. And I'm so blessed I can pick up collections. So I love this floral. I love all the colors in this. I love just the paint strokes on it. It's just, yes. So I picked up 2 sheets, okay? Here's the back. I love the bow. It's really cute. It's like a blended orangey pinky bow sheet. But nobody does florals like Maggie does. I mean, come on, you guys. So got that one. Here's another floral. Again, beautiful. Just beautiful. And I'm really trying to be good about buying 12 by 12 packs because they are expensive now. And I'm just trying to buy a couple of sheets of my faves because, yeah, I'm not by restraint. Oh, who doesn't love pink hearts? Pink and white hearts. Here's the back, another beautiful one. This does have like a marigold feel to it because like with just like this color. But I love it. I love it. Got this cut apart sheet. Meanwhile, just one said too much cut apart is not a good thing, but you know what? Love it. Here's like a viney sheet. I probably won't be using the back. This is where I'll be living. So I did get 2, and then another floral because I love flowers. And the back is just kind of like I don't know, just like a sheet. But this is where I'll be living. So that is the 12 by 12. Can we talk about the puffies, you guys? Like ridiculously adorable, like tiny. This is my pinky, right? So we're talking about they're actually understanding that we need smaller images because we can't deal with the big ones. We're not scrapbookers, we're paper crafters. We're making embellishments. So cute. I'm obsessed. I got the what is it, cardstock stickers. I'm not that good with these, but they are nice to have. You know, like I've seen this be in garden party. I mean, she uses the deer a lot. Cameras are constant in hers. The flowers. Home is where the heart is. I'm pretty sure I've had ephemera like that. But there is some kind of whimsy that just has a chokehold on me. I just love it. It's so pretty. Like the little dainty shoes, the scissors. Again, the use of florals in our collection. It's not fair. Who needs a chippy? I do. I love chipboard. Probably could do with another. I may get another. But for now, this is where I'm at with Parasol. I got it. What was the previous collection? Oh, Round Trip. I got it. I played with it. I love it, but there's not enough time. There's not enough time, and these collections are just coming out left and right, and I'm just struggling to craft here, you guys. I'm just gonna do a little quick flip through of the 6x8, which is a very nice embelly size. Sorry for the crinkling, you guys, and let's do a quick flip through. So we've got this little sheet here. This kind of reminds me of something that Obey Marshall would, is that how you say his name? Create. With the sweaters. Here's a floral. A little gold leafy number. This is cute. Polka dot. It's okay. The colors are definitely a lot darker, a lot of more blue tones. I've definitely seen this sheet before. I feel like this is something that Sweet Story would have. And the birds, definitely seen this bird before. I think that's like something that's from Willow Lane. This is pretty. Little sky page. Another floral. Definitely seen this before. Love the buttons, and you know what, that's something I do need to get from this collection. The little button pack was so cute. I feel like I've seen this lemon page before. This kind of print has been seen before. Love this page. obviously. Love this floral. Cut aparts. And it repeats again. So it's a pretty collection. I'm not mad at it. I do love Maggie's style, so, and I know later I'll regret it if I don't pick up pieces. So anyways, not gonna complain. Love it. Okay, we're gonna do the ephemeras real quick. I just love this size in this collection. I think she's really caught on to what we're looking for, because look at this. Like, look at this ephemera, you guys. These are tiny. They're not large. They're really a good size for us to make embellishments. Like, okay, look at this deer. You guys, there's probably never been a deer this small. So loving that. This little wreath, flowers, I love. You constantly free to fly. Even the sentiments in this are really a nice size. So if you've been mad about how big the ephemera has been before, I think she's really just finally caught on. Oh, that bunny is so cute. And I'm hoping that it stays this way, because we don't want big. We want cute and dainty. Like, I never know how to use these large ones, but anyways, here's the second pocket. I got this little love. I love this. I love vellum. Just a little bit hard to use sometimes, but I love it. Here's another vellum one. I'm just going to pick up the rest of the sentiments here. We've got Precious in this gold vellum. Discover. A floral, which I will never get tired of. Floral. House. Peacock. Vellum. So pretty. You know, like, if you are a Maggie lover, totally pick this up. I know some people have been, you know, on the fence, and I get it. I don't do FOMO very well. I might end up loving it later even more. And that is it, you guys. That is the ephemera pack. That is my haul. And thanks for watching and lasting this long. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.